Hello, welcome to another Matchday vlog then. What has happened to this bus stop, by the way? Just bonkers, but yeah. Today, it's, you know, a reasonably big game for Preston under 21s or Preston, whatever you want to say it. But it's free tickets and I've got one bought for because it's free anyway, but yeah, either way. I've got a coach and all that down there that's been booked into my name, so I may as well go down there and see what it is. I'm going to be about because they're playing Derby County the 21s in the opening game, and I tell you what, it's going to be a good one, you know, I really do think so. It'll be a good game of football and there'll be goals, fingers crossed, and then I'll come back to this and see a 0-0 and be like, oh, what the fuck's going on? But yeah, we're off to Preston again. Seems like I live there at the moment, the amount of times I'm there. But yeah, I've heard Preston have played a few, you know, first team players, so yeah, it's interesting, that one, isn't it? So let's see how the game goes. My prediction is going to be 3-1 to North End. I'm going to get a drink before this bus comes. I think I've got time, haven't I? Oh, I mean, Prime's gone that dead. That is now $1.99 in the shops. But yeah, said out to the fella, hello mate, have a good day. Looks at me, give me a death stare. Fucking appreciate that you've got someone coming in your shop. It's being nice. Right, I can't be arsed ranting, it's too early for this. Too early, it's 9:15, sorry, 10:15. But I should have fucking think I've told you. I hope you have a good day. At least say, thank you mate, have a good day back. They're just looking at me like that. Evil deaths there. I've seen bigger buses there. Got them starved, so maybe I'll get back. I've got Taggy Toms, remember when they used to be 30p, now they're quid. Great value. Really mate, it used to be 30p about fucking 4 or 5 years ago. And a massive Oasis. And the X2 to Preston. It can't be a Dim Dogs vlog without ranting about the bus. It's late again. What day is it? Oh, we run once every hour. And the 10:24 one. Oh, 24. By the website was 22 and 23 then. Either way, not here. On 24 then. Yeah, another rant will income. Well, the bus doesn't really know how much it's delayed by, is it really? The originally said it was going to come at 22 minutes past. And then, of course, when I'm very early, the bus is late. But then when I'm late, the bus is early. But yeah, fucking what's the name? So annoying. There you go, where it is, yeah. Coming up. I think. Yes, it is. The X2 is finally arrived. 10 minutes late, but I kept saying, well, it's 1 minute late, 2 minutes late, I kept adding it up. I was like, fucking hell, just make your mind up how late you're going to be. Because you've actually not that offensive up into us.
I was going to surprise you at the ground.
What, you coming?
Yes.
Did you put your coach?
Yes.
Oliver!
I'm trying to avoid you until I got there.
I haven't seen you with that one on, and you just put, oh.
Oh, the KFC delivery was not... His orders are that big, they used the delivery bag.
Oh, someone. Don't really fancy.
So we're literally in Preston bus station now. My head's even more of a shark than what it has been. But yeah, don't know what's happened there. I brushed it and bounces back up, so maybe another trip soon for me. Yeah, Preston bus station. Just left there. Walk up to the ground. Stockport County sticker has been ripped. He is not happy. Wherever that sticker's gone now. Who knows, but if I put that Stockport sticker up there, it's not there now.
I like the way. I like that end though.
Bamber Bridge FC.
It's nice.
Some gaff. What are you doing? You're even on the fucking Preston bus. Preston, for the training ground. And you do that again. Ah, naughty move.
Naughty.
Tommy, what do you think of our statements?
Well,
And Jay Onana.
I've seen Alisson play recently.
the best dead.
Nope, it's Freddie Woodman, he's the best.
No, it's Nick Pope. Nick Pope's Freddie Woodman.
So you're trying to tell me Pickford and Alisson are worse than Andre Onana?
Please donate £5.50 to my Judy Dividends after hearing this nonsense. Freddie Woodman's the best in the world.
So, where's Pickford in a ranking of the best goalkeepers in the Prem?
20th. I'm joking.
Tommy's right, yeah.
Oh, well, I was joking, but apparently, I mean, I love to say Pickford.
And he thinks
now.
Alisson's the 5th best? Oh.
Tommy, you love to say Pickford.
Ollie's scared to get a piece of paper. That's well done, bitch.
Get it, Ollie, get it for it.
Ollie, no one's going to tell you off for going. Oh, come on, lad. Band, get gone. This is heritage.
You'll be
you got
heritage
your,
in a minute.
you got your footy top on. But look there, you've got a different top on over it.
Yeah,
You actually own, yeah, but you said I don't think you own not another footy top. So tell me the lies, tell me all the lies.
Mate, is that a top then? Oh, these top.
I was waiting for you to call me a blithering clown then. Go on, call me a blithering clown. Oh, he's got another tango. Can't get a video without having a tango.
Same one.
How many years old do you think the tangos are?
Fresh.
These Derby players don't seem to be very good.
Fresh because I've just got this out of the
Fucking hell, Preston might just load of these today. The squad Preston have got. This a decimation anyway, lad.
There's just been a goal there, lads.
Oh yes, look, but fucking.
And another
it's
goal.
not like.
It's easy now. Oh my god.
Hey, fucking, he just said out and went, your shoe wearing shorts in the middle of winter. We just both burst out to laughter. And he went, he gets confused with the temperatures. If it's cold, he thinks it's the winter automatically.
It is, it literally is. There's 2 there.
You shoved up and down like the whole and shouted it isn't all.
Ollie smash and go do that. Ollie smash!
He just done the Hulk smash, the boo smash. He went, it fucking
Is that what Andy does? Is that what Andy does when Ollie tells him off? Andy smash! Hey, am I actually an academy player apparently?
He's like, now for you, but again, because I thought Preston
Yeah,
first team,
right.
Derby's under 21s, but I mean, most of the players are Preston first team players.
Pickford and Michael Keane and half the Everton
I'm
first
watching
team
the game now.
playing against Blackburn under 21s.
Well, Tommy predicts a 4-1 Preston.
Yeah.
I predict a 3-1 Preston.
That
What score do you
that
predict,
doesn't
Bruce?
make it Everton main team against Blackburn under 19s or whatever, does he?
I want to watch.
What score do you predict, Mr. Booth?
2-1 Derby.
Oh, okay.
So it kind of proves the point.
What do you reckon about that?
Right?
Tommy said Preston have got the championship kits
They got literally.
and Derby got the PL2 kits on.
Proves the point. There.
Yeah.
So, he's having proves the point.
It doesn't prove the point. Because you say that they don't have an under 21, so why would they?
Under 19s, mate.
Yeah, but why would they be the under 19s? They'll just play the same kits no matter what.
No.
But the under 19s,
Right,
you
I'm
go
not-
to the
I'm not
Preston
getting
first
in this
team, is it?
conversation. I just want to watch the game.
You go watch it over there then. Southall fan, isn't it?
Plastic Southall fan on.
You never went.
There we go.
You never went to Atherton at home.
Ah, yeah, that's a point.
Which?
You never went to Alfreton at home.
Yeah, but he did he?
You did, you? You actually did.
Yeah. But I'm also an Everton fan. Oh no, that's right. Been to more Everton matches in a season than you've ever been to the Onion Patch.
To be fair,
No.
I think he does add for Liverpool's women's team, but it changes to Liverpool's actual team. That's what he said.
Oh, is it now? So why does it say the same on mine when I check in automatically?
It glitches for him, I think.
Yes.
Does it?
Yeah, I'm not getting this. I want to
Mate.
watch Preston today.
And my dad had a couple of mates the other night.
You were talking about Tommy T's awful. Go on, what did you say?
And they were all just like, how in the God's earth do you not know who he is?
So I've been game since 2018. So yeah, of course, yeah, yeah, because I'm gonna know that, Anna.
Oh, so he's only been going since. Oh, right.
Oh,
not like
it's
me,
about.
yeah.
It's nearly about 7 years, isn't it? Okay, yeah, because that's.
Yeah, not like me that I've been going 19, yes.
Oh, yeah, because I'm younger than you.
Coming up to 6 years, yeah.
Oh, my dad's not a Southall fan, so.
The rain's off on it.
Yep, what was it? It didn't fucking.
Well, Ollie Boo predicts Derby County to win 3-1. That is a bit crazy, but I mean, it can happen.
The entire first team is here at that point.
Well, it's just a Ollie Litz, can you shut up now and watch again?
Shots.
Genuinely. Go on.
Yeah, but they're still in group chats, aren't they?
Oh, save. For the first big chance of the day, I go to Preston to Majicic. You'll hopefully get a run in the first team.
You should have.
Good effort, though.
Unlucky boys. Oh.
Dan's running a bit late this year.
What? What do you mean?
He's only just spending more.
He's said he was going wicked.
Yeah, I'm very surprised that Ollie's not took his fucking shoes off here either. Does everywhere else.
Yeah.
Naughty. Could be spending more right.
Ooh.
Don't need any part to the golfing.
Very good to keep that in.
So which one's the first team?
Oh.
Kids. There you go, well done, mate. Fucking Villa special.
To be honest, Ollie will laugh. Here's a big counter attack.
What? Yeah, well.
Ollie's getting a job as a fucking delivery driver, he said. Ollie's on a mad one now as well. I just wanted the foul. What? Yeah, today Paul Heckenbottom, if I've not mentioned on my vlog, is now Preston's manager, which is a decent appointment. You know, he got promoted with Sheffield United.
Yeah. Is that him over there?
Yeah, it should be.
Yeah, it looks like.
But yeah, the thing is, Heckenbottom came in charge of Sheffield United. I think it was when he lost the Championship playoffs.
Yeah.
And he had a full season with them afterwards, which is always hard because there's a chance that you just have a shit season. Got them to second and all that. So I think he'll do decent. I think he could. He needs to because Preston haven't scored in 7 league games, which is absolutely wild.
You see the ones with no name? And there's a lot more first team. Just something to show you, mate. What is it then? Under 12, so
Well, I don't think 3,000 people will come and watch this, mate.
yeah, exactly. When it's derbies and this.
You were counting people here. What?
It's not bad though, is it?
Oh yeah, because putting the attendance in footballogy matters, lad. Ollie Bouvet is a crazy guy. What's gone out?
This is a Champions League final. Balls.
Oh, King Wad. It's a very good ball as well.
No, don't fucking go around without any mate.
Have a think who Preston are playing. Melissa Brachen's Derby County.
Oh yeah.
Melissa Brachen? I doubt.
I don't start Preston will win. Well, I do fucking favourite them over.
Diversity.
Diversity.
All sorts of mad stuff.
And GJ Brachen at her birthday party.
I guess nobody wants to talk.
And then box you when you
Famous words. My stitch is offside.
if he teleported to.
Well, breaking news, I've actually got Ollie Bouvet at a Preston North End match. He was here last time in his full knowledge kit, had hissy fits all the way through, and then deleted it off his footballogy and now begs me and Tommy to delete our score lines.
Not a bloody game, you blind halfway.
Well done, Art.
Well, it was a game because he had mini games. Anyway, either way, he can now come here to take this off, and he still
You won't count this, you'll say it's a fake because Lano's invisible.
And now he still won't go to Deepdale because he's scared to visit Deepdale. Oh shit, yeah, there.
Just get
the black thing there.
there you go.
Head with my shoulder.
I'm just going to do that. Put it out to you.
What happened?
Well, 12.
I guess threw it and he was like, ah! And he's
Well, I wasn't there, but apparently Tommy threw a banana peel at Ollie, and Ollie's lost his headphone because of that.
No,
Is that true, Ollie?
Lies.
So why did you say
So
it?
why do you say it?
So why did you say it then?
Oh yeah, did you?
Oh, no, we can't back chat now. Oh, here we go, come on. Oh, mate.
Yeah, look. Tom.
YouTube.
Yeah, but you could have went to Everton, Preston. That was a fiver. No arguments with that one.
About the fact that I was busy watching my main team, yes.
Who's your main team in Everton, lad?
Southport.
Or so they're your main team over Everton? Move it in, clown.
He's gone to what mainly.
So Wembley's under 21s,
I
is
said
it?
mainly.
Oh god, no,
Yeah,
yeah,
that is-
21
that is
That
them.
was the last one you went to as well, wasn't it?
Okay,
In, what was it, March?
So you're trying to tell me the Carabao Cup final was the under 21s? Okay.
Concerned with Derby this game, if the players we have.
Ooh. Hopefully we'll have goals soon. Fairyland, blithering clowns. Ollie's favourite words.
Hulk smash about to happen in 2 seconds.
Hulk smash was funny as fuck. Oh god.
Hey!
That was risky, but it was a good pass.
That was risky. I thought I was going in, man. Oh, fucking hell.
Because at the end of the day, Ollie, we still visited this ground, didn't we, last time? So may as well have it on there.
And what's the point of coming here that last time when you weren't going to vlog it?
Exactly. And fucking when that would have been one of the only days in a while that I wouldn't have been to a game. I want to keep the record up for going to games.
What are you into about?
I'm saying that we were here last time, so we may as well record that we were here last time.
Oh, so you like if you showed up to kick a ball around Poland Street Park, then you'd.
Well, if I went up to
at the Matchday.
well, I wanted to.
What, have you not heard of Div Dogs United? The best team in the world.
He was. We all know that one.
You were fuming at that one, weren't you?
Oh, lad, he's worse.
Yes, and even everyone else I showed it to.
Why do you care? Why do you care?
Why did you show it to everyone, including River, that day? You showed it to River.
Yeah, why do you care though?
I sent it to Danton and he was like, what the?
What's your business in it? Why is it in any of your business?
Because it's not right.
You put Weldon One City on.
That was more of a game than
Whoa.
Derby County have scored.
It's mainly first team. And he's just missed it.
Of course, he misses every single goal because he's on that.
I saw it.
Oh mate, how we need
Ollie Boo missed another goal and there's 1-0 to Derby. Oh no! Hey, Tommy, what he's got on there? Party FC. So yeah, Derby County take the lead then, which is very concerning for Preston North End, who can't even score a goal at the moment. The main team who are playing here today, some of them as well. I mean, I know there's some academy players, but there's still about 6, 7 first team players playing, and literally no one can score for them, and they've conceded now, so they've got to come out again. And yeah, there's something wrong
I mean, it's
in the Preston team, but I'm sure Paul Eckenbottom will fix it. He never got his nails cut the other day. Like, why are you saying, like, come on?
I don't think they grow that quick.
Never happens. Tell me lies, tell me Ollie Boo's lies. Fairyland lies.
Oh no, don't, because well, not the argument with that last time.
He hates Fairyland. So he hates Fairyland washing up liquid.
Might invite Ryan to come.
Oh. Hoofball.
Liam Watson's.
He hasn't really played hoofball there, Derby, but he had to clear it out. He had to hoof it down
Yeah,
the
you
field.
can do that. It's Liam Watson.
Been a good game so far anyway.
It's been alright. It's Preston's point of view. Yes, go!
I don't know why he slowed down.
Oh,
Yeah, Derby County under-21s playing our league. So this is under-21s, mate.
Everton don't blame this.
no, I do not on video.
I'm making
just
you
jumped up and down and
insult,
done
you
it,
know
doesn't
why? You know how I'm making you insult?
That's just assault. That's assault and battery.
Just
Oh,
go.
no. Get up.
Oh no, it's injured again.
Come on.
What's score for Preston Luton, Ollie?
2-0 win.
That's actually a fair score. He's alright now. That's not great.
Luton have had enough start to the season, have we?
It's not a great score. Yeah, Luton have been worse than Preston.
He's a first team player, isn't he?
Didn't they lose to Portsmouth, didn't they?
Nope, drew 0-0
Yeah, true. No.
and lost 4-1 at home to Burnley.
Yeah, it's not a great start. Although they've played away and against a tough side at home, so.
Preston need to buckle up here.
What do you do if Martin teleported and scored?
Celebrate with him, won't I? Of course. Because he's Div Dad.
Have you uploaded your... Oh. Go on. Lord. That's actually quite good. He got close for... He spun that.
He has spun him as well, and oh.
If you take
He's one of the new lads from Preston.
added to the other team, what does that mean?
What? Both are going for the same ball there. It's not a foul there. He's also decent too. Derby cutting everything else here. Find it easy to do so as well.
Lucky.
Ollie Booth is a New York man.
I've got friends who are Lions fans.
Fouled him there.
They're actually from England.
Half time then. 1-0 Derby, under 21s.
That's just my team. Jolly. Good points. Like,
Some good and some bad.
you know, at the end of the day, it is a Central League fixture. It's not as if it's like, but I mean, if someone who'd like.
We've still a whole second
I'm
half to
excited
go.
to see Leighton Stewart possibly come on.
The second half started now when Preston had to buckle up to that. He is passing there. Isn't the greatest.
He's a fault for both goals now.
Oh God. 2-0 to Derby. So yeah, Derby under 21s are winning 2-0. That's madness, that.
Dave St Helens.
Yeah. Hey, don't read that. Yeah, it's mad though. Because I know you'll read the actual information that I've got to read, email and all that, and then you'll email. Div Dog said email.
Divdogs at
He's sitting there on the crusty side of the floor in the dirt, with his bag just on his phone, not watching the game. Or classic move that. Oh yeah, I'm going to go to a game and not watch it.
He's been
That's all he
200
does.
South games, but he's just been in the stadium twice. He's watched 200 South games, hasn't he?
I mean, Jeff said 190 odd. What's he doing with his hand there?
He didn't move anyway.
Ollie's moving his hands very suspiciously. Oh. It's a windy one, isn't it? Probably wheeled up and stop, and then as soon as I take wheeled down, it's freezing. Stupid wheeled up. It's been a good game though. Stood up straight out. He wasn't stood up straight. He'd stick shots, don't you, to the wall and through.
Very great.
You don't like you a lot, so he's not sick on his own. Done great there. Now he's away.
That's positive. You gotta just do it.
Because they put me straight next to a music speaker on full blast.
Yeah, I'm not putting
Come on, keeps.
Because imagine that, like the embarrassment of that.
How's it in the mouth?
What is he
losing
doing?
his job in 21s. Maybe. No, I will not be doing this.
You know, we've been talking about this now, fucking a bit like the 11-6 one, whatever it was.
Go! Hey!
Preston, idiot. If you take more shots, ref's not giving any as such. Thing is, Preston haven't been too bad, it's just the defender who wants to get in front of goal. That's a nice overlap in it. Oh. Can't believe all these free ones actually opening up.
Amazing that I scored.
No one near, and this is why I got
That is my message. It's the only time.
They've got near, but there's not really.
I would have thought he would have had a lot more shots.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, there's not really threatening.
A bit really well.
Give it a second.
That is Ollie's food he had on his first night in Spain. What the fuck?
Listen.
And you were the one who was vegetarian apparently.
That's not vegetarian.
Yeah, that's like salmon meat.
Put some in the bowl there as well. At least he took the shot on. Ooh.
There we go.
Ooh.
Ooh. Oh, I nearly did that.
Derby plays a nice football though. And it's a black and lovely crowd.
Most of the time.
I was happy before credit cards existed.
Before COVID. This was about 6 years ago.
Pressure. Ooh. Good ball, like.
Let's just beat them on Saturday.
Ooh. Fucking hell.
Probably just about starting. Oh, there we go. That's what we like.
I mean, he's been alright since we fair. So full time and another game where Preston don't scoring, and that was including the 13 players as well. So yeah, it was Preston, and yeah, 2-0 Derby County, and yeah, Ollie was right. Derby County with the win. Well,
Oh my god.
ice pour that on
I
bottom
am
team, what
paying
it seems like.
£43 tonight.
So yeah, not good enough.
It's a total opposite of something.
Madness. But a good game of football anyway. I enjoyed it.
On to Luton on Saturday.
People go, why got rid up? It's cold actually, to be fair. It's very windy. Doing me head in.
M6 tour on a double decker bus.
So by the end of the Preston vlog there, hope you all enjoyed. Got a double header, so another one. Like, subscribe.